When you look at a professional trader from the outside, they may seem like a perfect machine, cool-headed, collected, always knowing what to do and where the price will go. But if you look a little deeper, you'll find that pros have their quirks. And sometimes these quirks seem so absurd that a beginner would hardly believe that they are what helps them make money. But why is it important to watch till the end? Because it is in these little things that the real difference between a losing trader and one who stays in the black for years lies. You will understand that the market is won not only with strategies and indicators, but also with habits. Today, I'm going to tell you about 5 strange, seemingly logical habits that almost all professional traders have. And if you watch till the end, you will be able to implement them in your trading and you'll feel the difference for yourself. By the way, if you're interested in insights such as trading psychology, risk management, and ready-made setups for practice, you can find all of this in my Telegram channel. There, you will find market analysis, fresh ideas, analytical reviews, and professional tools that really work. The link is down there in the description. Go there and start improving your trading today. Sounds strange, right? But try watching the pros. Many of them actually say their thoughts out aloud, Okay, the price has reached the level, and why is this necessary? When you say your trading plan out loud, you reinforce it. You are less prone to impulsive decisions, less likely to break down and open a trade just because it seemed right. A beginner acts on emotions, while a pro disciplines himself with his voice. And believe me, it works much better than just thinking, I'll wait for confirmation. Even during the day, some people might be surprised. Why do you need alarm clocks when you have a monitor in front of your eyes? But the thing is, the market is so treacherous. You might just stare at the chart for several hours and still not see a single normal entry point. Professional traders use alarms to return to the market at the right moments only. For example, 15 minutes after the news comes out or when the candle closes at the right time frame. This saves a lot of nerves and energy. Beginners get tired, they overload their brains, they start making mistakes, while pros turn on the chart exactly when they need to. This is one of the strangest habits for those who are just starting out. It would seem, why write everything down when everything is already visible on the chart? But a trading journal is not just about numbers. Pros record their emotions there. I got scared and closed the deal too early. I didn't wait for confirmation and acted on my emotions. Well, such notes help you see your own weaknesses, and when you see them on paper, they cease to be invisible enemies. Most successful traders continue to keep a journal even years later because the market is constantly changing, and with it, your reactions. This may seem like something mystical. For one professional, it's a cup of certain coffee before the session opens. For another, it's 5 minutes of breathing exercises. Some people actually wear their lucky t-shirt in which they had their most successful trade. The point of these rituals is not magic. They create a right state of mind. The brain switches gears and the body understands that it's time to get to work. And now the trader is no longer in a chaotic state of, I'll just glance at the chart for fun, but now in a working mood, ready to act according to the system. This is the most paradoxical habit. Convinced that in order to make money, you need to trade every day and as much as possible. Professionals, on the other hand, can sit for 3 days in a row and not open a single trade. Why? Because they know that the market is not obliged to provide entry points every hour. Their task is to wait for the moment when the probability is on their side. The paradox is that they make money precisely by waiting. And when that moment comes, they enter without hesitation because everything has come together. Analysis, indicator signals, and market structure. If you want to develop the same habits and move from chaotic trading to a systematic approach, check out my private channel. There, we work with students on discipline and emotions, analyze real trading situations, and ready-made setups. People who used to lose their deposits in a day now trade consistently and earn more than they do at their main jobs. The link is right there in the description. Join us and you will see how your trading changes before your eyes. These 5 habits may seem strange, funny, or even ridiculous, but they are what help pros stay clear-headed, not get carried away by emotions, and make money where beginners lose it. And if you like this analysis, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There will be even more examples, strategies, and useful analysis to help you stop trading chaotically and start trading like a real pro. See you in the next episode.